Welcome to another CAAN tip, where we deliver fencing tips in under 120 seconds. Today, we're covering how to choose the right fencing for different soil types. Let's get started. Sandy soil drains quickly and shifts easily. Use deep-set concrete footings for stability. Metal or vinyl fences work best here, as they provide solid support in loose soil. Clay soil expands and contracts with moisture. To avoid shifting, add gravel at the base of your posts for better drainage. Pressure-treated wood works well in clay. For rocky soil, use post hole diggers and shorter fence sections to follow uneven ground. Composite or metal fences are ideal for durability and stability. For mixed soil, flexible materials like vinyl are your best bet, adapting well to shifting ground. To recap, for sandy soil, use concrete and metal or vinyl. For clay, add drainage with gravel and use wood. For rocky soil, choose composite or metal. Now you're ready to choose the best fencing for your soil type. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more CAAN tips. Check out our playlist for more. Should you require professional help, you can contact us on this number or on our website. See you next time.